If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's
Hi guys, so let's just get started with this video. So right now I'm actually back from a shower, and before that I actually went and got my appointment for tomorrow, and we're gonna be getting my hair and my nails done tomorrow. Nothing fancy, just something new to my hair, something that is not this. So yeah, right now I am going to make some reels. We're gonna make, I'm planning to do a transition of the glow up, so we're gonna be making the first part of the transition right now. So I will catch you guys after I get done with making those reels, and I'll tell you guys about what we're gonna do tomorrow and on the 31st. So let's go. So hi guys, I am actually done making the first part of the reel. Had to find the sounds and stuff, and I am done. Let me tell you about the plan that we have for tomorrow. For tomorrow, we are gonna be going to get the appointment done. Like after coming back from that, we're gonna do a little bit of skincare for me, and just taking care of my skin and just treating it well. We are gonna do a sheet mask and stuff. You guys will see that tomorrow. And then we also have to plan my outfit for 31st. So there is nothing crazy for 31st. There's no party or whatever. We are actually gonna be doing a little bit of hangout with some of my friends. So I have to decide an outfit for that tomorrow, and on 31st you guys will be seeing the result of like my entire transition, entire glow up. So that is gonna be the plan of action for this video, and yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow when I leave for the appointment. Bye. Hi guys, so I forgot to shoot yesterday before I leave for the parlor. So I don't know, I didn't film a lot yesterday when I went there, but I have a few clips. So go and watch those clips first, and then I will show you guys my hair. I am not moving too much because I don't want to reveal it, ऐसे तो you can't see anything. So yeah, watch those clips and I'll be back. Hi! So this is the hair color reveal. As you guys can see, this is what I got done yesterday. So the color that I got is basically blonde highlights with ash gray tones. So you can't really see the ash gray in the front highlights, but when you look at the back ones, you can see the ash gray very clearly. I love my hair. It changes so much of the look, and I totally love it. I think it is a really nice look and a really nice change, to be honest. You guys know me well, you know that I love experimenting with my hair. I do crazy things with my hair, and I finally got highlights. So I actually wanted to get color. Okay, I know a lot of you guys expected me to do color. It is still ash gray though, but I really do love it. But I know you guys were expecting like blue or pink or purple. A lot of you guys actually thought it would be blue from my Instagram, but trust me, the next time I'll get a touch up for these, I will definitely I will most probably go for blue. So expect that, but I think it'll be at least a year after, like a year from now. 2022, you guys. But I love this. So yeah, this is my hair reveal. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I was supposed to get my nails in at the parlor. I went at 2 and I came back at like 8:30-ish. So it took me a lot of time. She said that I can come today, like abhi morning mein. But I was like, no, I'll get it done myself. I reveal them. Go and watch the time lapse. guys saw the time lapse, these are the nails. This is kind of bad because I did it with my left hand, but look at it. I love it. So now what we're gonna do is, because I want to upload this video with like a full glow up, not just my hair and my nails. So what we're gonna do is, I am going to do a little photo shoot right now. I think right now I can get dressed, do like a really glam makeup, some really nice outfit, and then we can take the pictures and upload this video before I go for the the hangout. So I really want this video to be my hair color reveal. It is 8 in the morning right now, so I hope to get done with the photo shoot and the editing of this video by 12, because I have to leave at 1. So I hope I'm able to do that, and yeah, I'm super duper excited. Oh my god. So the next thing that you will see is like a little montage of my glow up with the makeup and the outfit and everything, and yeah, I'm super excited. Bye! See you guys when I get ready. And I am ready, and this is my hair, this is my makeup, and this is my outfit. Now, you know the drill, it is montage time. Cue the montage. So guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys like the overall new year glow up look, and yeah, sorry for being inactive. It was just college semester end, due to which I couldn't upload that much, but I was focusing on my Instagram when we had the break. But I'm gonna be back on YouTube, and we're gonna be starting this new year with a lot more of videos, and a very 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 happy new year. And I hope that 2021 is hopefully good for all of us, because I know 2020 we all have gone through a lot, and this is the last day of 2020. So congratulations that you made it through till the end, because I know it was very difficult. Love yourself, give yourself a pat on the back for going through what all we gone through. So yeah, and I will see you guys in 2021. Bye.
You should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when it